Hello there, I am Yash Reddy. I am from the team Dave Matrix, and our problem statement is integrated platform for crowdsourced ocean hazard reporting and social media analysis for the SIH hackathon. So before starting with the solution first, I would like to tell the problem background. After the 2004 tsunami, India formalized disaster response via the Disaster Management Act 2005. Since then, INCOIS, IMD, NDMA, and DDMA form a chain of warnings and response. But this system is still largely offline and hierarchical. Ground level reports often take too long to reach decision makers. Thus, we have created a platform to overcome all these problems, which is Pralay. Hence, the need of a digital system that enables real-time, geotagged, verified citizen reports augmented by social media intelligence while complementing, not replacing the existing disaster governance change. So, this is a problem statement, and now this problem statement comes under the theme disaster management. Let's start with the problem solution. So here is the purpose solution. Architecture, as you can see, is of three layers: application layer, client layer, and the deployment and infrastructure. In the client layer, you can see that the user can capture the images, and then that image will be stored in the database. But before storing it at the database, at the application layer, you can see that the data will be the data and the post will be verified with the NLP and but for whether that image is valid or not, and then only that post will be saved. And the application layer, you can also see that the social media gateway like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram are used to fetch the post related to the flood hazard. Then that post will also be verified with the help of the NLP and text analysis, that is floodnet and pre-filter, and then those will be stored to the databases. For the deployment and infrastructure, currently we have deployed a project on the GitHub, and later after completing the whole project we will deploy it on the AWS. For the testing tools, we have used Postman and Bruno. As you can see in the technical update, we have the workflow that once the user captures the image, then it is validated, that image validated, then the video that captured image is uploaded to the database, and from the database it is shown to the official main dashboard. Also, if the image is captured in offline mode, then it is synced later, and then that image is shown on the database. Also, from fetching the post from the social media, a two-layer filtering is added. First is the NLP filter, and second is the two-layer filtering of social posts using the BERT. Then that post is, if it is valid, then it is stored in the database, and if it is not valid, then it is discarded. If the valid post is stored in the database, then it is stored in the hazard field on the map area as well, the map which we will be creating with the help of the map box and the authority dashboard as well. Now this is the prototype of our project. As I said that currently the project is deployed on the GitHub at the start. So this is the project, this is the deployed URL. As you can see, this is citizen report. Here, as it is visible, user can even upload files, and he can even take the pictures. In the history, as you can see, the total reports generated by the user, the verified reports, and then the pending synchronization. Pending synchronization, this is the capture images which from in the offline mode. In the settings, as you can see, we display we can have multiple languages. For multiple languages, we have changed the languages. This is the just the demo show. Official dashboard. Official dashboard is the dashboard where the user will check the official URLs and everything. uh, for example, the official dashboard, as you can see, there are the filters, and here the map will be shown regarding the hazardous present in the area. The map is under the working right now. In the tables, as you can see, we have put it, some dummy data right now. These tables are showing the location, the reporter who have reported that post, and the date and time. You can even filter out which posts are verified and which posts are pending. In analytics, as you can see, a weekly report trends is shown, whether like total reports based upon that which are the verified reports. And secondly, there is a chart showing hazard types of distribution. Here are also high active location like Santa Monica Beach. This is just the random data we have put right now. But this was the hosted site, and also we are working on the on our machine. So right now we were working on the admin dashboard as well. The admin dashboard will be the one who will be creating the officials. So the officials will be only created by the admin dashboard. As you can see, the we will take the input from of the official like everything, and then that official will be verified based upon the government employee ID and the government issued ID proof. Also, In the hazard reports, you can see the highly prone flood areas are shown, like Chennai in the Tamil Nadu, and whether it is verified, flagged, or rejected. So in dashboard, as you can see, the regional status in Tamil Nadu, how many officials are currently active. In Maharashtra, how many officials are currently active, and the recent hazard, that is the mostly highly hazard that are posted on our and viability. In feasibility and viability, millions of coastal residents need the early hazard detection. So it is very feasible and it is very useful in the offline area as well. And viability is enhances disaster preparedness and response and scalable nationwide and globally for disaster prone regions. We have some supporting facts for our feasibility and viability. As you can see that 80% of Indian coastal cities face annual flood risk, 65% uses GIS based warning system. 80% of citizens actively reported the disasters and showing strong community adoption. So a community platform is needed to show the disaster reporting. So that is where our platform will be helpful. And here is the research and references. In research and references, we research that there are three existing platforms like Sachit, Akshvi, and IMDb Public, but they lack some of the features which are covered by our platform. Also, we have researched a lot on the research papers like the case study of the Kerala National Disaster Management using the social internet of things and the flood risk and adoption in coastal city. In the platform walkthrough, I have mentioned the link of the of our site and the explanation video as well. Thank you.